What's up, YouTube fans? There's something tripping I want to show y'all. It's this cat named Tiger that fetches. But this is how we came about getting Tiger, is that my trailer was infested with rats, and I don't like a rat, especially a two-legged rat. Ain't that right, Robert Limbaugh, Bobby Green, Troy Beard, the ex-chief of police of Chillisburg, Frankie Wallace, Judge Larry Ward, and don't forget Chillisburg's favorite former mayor, Robert Harris. I wonder how many YouTube fans of mine remember that sign that I had on the back of my Ford Ranger that said, "Hell, don't blame me about Chillisburg because I voted for Cubby Riddle." But meanwhile, back at the ranch, yeah. So I told some neighbors used to live up the road, Brandon and Anna. Told them that, you know, I wanted a female cat. And see, Chrissy and Bree, but Bree's better known to some folks as Jitterbug, they always wanted a baby kitten. So I said, I'll tell you what, buddy, it's what we're going to do. I'm going to get a cat, and I'm going to, you know, it's going to be a female, and we're going to let her have one litter of kittens, and then y'all get y'all a baby kitten out of there. Well, anyway, you know, Zebbe, she had 6 kittens, you know, Rowdy, Sweet Pea, Boots, Sweetheart, Cutie, and the famous Tiger. So anyway, you know, Chrissy and Jitterbug got Boots and Sweet Pea, so we kept the rest of them. And, you know, because, you know, we got attached to them, and we just, I don't know, it just sort of kind of hard to part with them because we don't know if they would have got a, you know, excellent care. Now I'm on this great honor to present Tiger, the famous fetching cat. Go get your toy. Go get your toy, Tiger.
Germany, Spain, and Italy. Many of them massacred as they got
Come on, buddy. Yeah, the buddy. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Go get your toy. Bring me your toy, Tiger. Bring me your toy.
European tourists. Now, we've just gotten word from the museum that just a short time ago, at least one person, maybe more, were found still hiding inside. Now,
good boy. Let's do it again. Come on. Go get your toy. Come on. Come on. Come on, bring me your toy. Good boy. Yeah. Come on, let's do it again. You ready to do it again? Come on. Go get it. Go get it, boy. Bring me your toy. Bring me your toy. Come on. Bring me your toy. Good boy, Tiger. Good boy. Come on. You ready? Go get it. Come on. Come on, Tiger. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Let's do it again. Come on. Come on. Come here. Tiger, come on. You ready? Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Here you go, Tiger. Bring me your toy. Bring me your toy. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Go get it again. Come on. Come on, Tiger, go get it. Bring me your toy. Come here. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Bring me your toy. Good boy. Yeah, Tiger. Come on. Tiger, come on. Come on. What? Come here, big buddy. Good boy. Yeah, he likes to play fetch. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, Tiger. Bring me your toy. Good boy, Tiger. Come on. Ooh, that hurt. Got sharp claws. Oh yeah, I gotta tell Chrissy. Mom, when Chrissy's gonna... Wait, it's April the 17th. I gotta tell my cousin Feliz Copiano. She'll be 14. But here you go, Tiger. You wanna do it again? Come on. Come on, little buddy. Good boy, yeah. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed watching Tiger, the fetching cat. I want to tell everybody, thank you for watching. I love my God Jehovah, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, my mom, Chrissy, Jitterbug, and all my YouTube fans, and also...